If you're considering TaxCycle for your tax preparation needs, there are 7 key things you need to know before making your purchase. Stick around to the end to find out why TaxCycle could be a game changer for your practice and how it stacks up against competitors like Drake, Pro Series, and TaxSlayer. First off, TaxCycle offers a clean and intuitive interface that's especially beneficial for professionals in the accounting space. Unlike many of its competitors, TaxCycle doesn't overwhelm you with a cluttered dashboard. It's simple, organized, and efficient. You can focus on what really matters, preparing taxes without distractions. The next thing you should know is about its flexibility in pricing. TaxCycle offers a pay-per-return option, which is excellent if you're just starting out or if you don't handle a large volume of clients year-round. Competitors like Drake and Pro Series typically bundle everything into one package, which can feel like you're paying for more than you need. With TaxCycle, you only pay for what you use, giving you full control over your budget. The third thing to keep in mind is how well TaxCycle integrates with third-party software. It connects seamlessly with cloud storage options like Google Drive, Dropbox, and various document management systems, making it a breeze to organize and manage client files. Competitors might offer some integrations, but they're often limited or harder to set up, creating unnecessary headaches. Moving on to the fourth thing, TaxCycle stands out for its CRA integration in Canada. If you're a tax professional working with clients in Canada, TaxCycle allows direct submission of tax returns to the CRA, streamlining the entire process. This is a huge advantage over US-based software like Pro Series, which doesn't cater specifically to Canadian tax needs. The fifth thing is that TaxCycle is highly customizable. You can adjust forms, manage client data, and even set up automatic email notifications for your clients. It's not just one-size-fits-all software. It adapts to how you run your practice. A lot of its competitors provide templates that can feel a bit rigid, while TaxCycle gives you the freedom to tailor it to your needs. The sixth thing to know is TaxCycle's support system. TaxCycle's customer service is known for being responsive and helpful, offering direct support during tax season, which can be critical when things get busy. While competitors may offer support, many charge extra for premium support or have slower response times. TaxCycle's team is committed to providing quick and efficient help at no additional cost. Finally, TaxCycle allows you to try the software completely free. That's right. You can test out all its features before you commit. This free trial gives you a full feel of the software and helps you decide if it fits with your needs. Many competitors lock you into long contracts or force you to buy a package before you get a real taste of what the software can do. So, if you're ready to make tax season easier and more efficient, you need to click the first link in the description below to get the best free trial of TaxCycle. You'll also unlock some exclusive benefits. Don't miss out. TaxCycle could be the perfect solution to streamline your tax preparation workflow.